Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to convert your video to audio with a simple and fantastic software that is Format Factory. If you have missed the video of mine on download and install of this Format Factory, then you can surely check it from the description and from the end screen too. So I'm just going to my task. This is a video that I'm going to convert from mp4 to audio or mp3. So what I need to do, I'm just opening Format Factory. This is a software with which I'm just going to convert. So I'm just dragging the video, as you can see, dragging the video to the software, and after that it's showing me some options. I'm just going down, and under the audio section it's showing me several extensions, as you can see, mp3, wma, etc, etc, but the most widely used is mp3. So I'm just going to convert this to mp3, and before clicking on OK, I'm just going to show you some settings. In the settings you have three options: high quality, medium quality and low quality. You can choose depending on yours, but I'm just going to choose high quality. It will maintain the quality. OK again, and then simply click on start. Within a short while it will be done, and when it is done, just close the window. Okay, it is done, and as you can see, it is now delivered to the source folder. It is mp4 and now it is mp3, and when I'll be playing it, it will be played as mp3. And by this simple way you can convert your all kind of video to your chosen audio format with this simple and splendid software Format Factory. And finally, if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. If you have any better idea, then please don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.